Welcome to Module 2 of Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course. 1. Introduction to website creation. Learn the basics of creating websites and understand their importance in the digital world. 2. Domain and hosting. Explore domain registration and web hosting to make your website accessible online. 3. Website design principles. Master the art of effective website design covering layout, color theory, and user experience (UX). 4. Responsive web design. Learn techniques to create websites that adapt to different devices and screen sizes. 5. Content creation and management. Develop strategies for creating engaging website content and efficiently managing it. 6. Navigation and usability. Discover best practices for designing user-friendly navigation menus and enhancing website usability. 7. Website optimization and performance. Optimize your website speed, file sizes, and overall performance for a better user experience and search engine rankings. 8. Website maintenance and updates. Learn how to keep your website secure, up to date, and perform regular maintenance tasks. To apply for Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course, check out the link in the description.